Guys, welcome to my channel. So first come to this URL www.gigabyte.com. Okay, click to search. Then guys, type your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Click on product. So you can see this is there are two versions, 1.1 and 1.0. Okay, so if you are any motherboard, so install driver installations process same. Click on this here of name A620IAX. Okay, then go to this URL. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system. So I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it, you just follow this video of Windows 11, you can install the Windows 10 driver. Okay, so slow down and you can see this is audio driver, SD audio driver. This is size. You just click to download. When you click download, it is start for downloading. You can see here it will take some time to complete, then try to install. And you can see this is downloaded. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Now this is extract. Then click to yes. You can see audio driver, it is installing. So it is done, means it is completed. Close this.